Hello, Janster here. So for today's video, sasagutin ko ang isa sa mga most asked questions sa akin. So eto siya, VA agency recommendation po please. Okay, so alam naman natin na madami talagang VA agency out there, but etong apat na agencies na babanggitin ko is personally na mabavouch ko kasi personally ko silang nakatrabaho. So I've either worked with them before or I am currently working with them. So in no particular order, okay? So first off is Hyper Service. So ilalagay ko na lang sa comment section yung website nila. So etong Hyper Service, ang niche nila is real estate. So they are looking for VAs that can do cold calling. Naghahanap din sila ng mga transaction coordinator and acquisitions manager. So with regards to this company, ang kagandahan dito is meron kayong mga parang team lead, may mga success coaches na mag-handle sa inyo. So, hindi kayo directly mag-work sa client. So, meron kayong guidance from your success coaches. I know na nagka-problem sila before, but right now, they were able to bounce back kasi iba na yung management nila. And then yung second naman is yung Remote Raven. So Remote Raven, ang niche nila is iba-iba. So they cater to a lot of industries. And ang kagandahan naman sa Remote Raven, ang sahod nila, I'm not quite sure pero it's either weekly or every other week. So either dun sa dalawa. And ang maganda dito is very maganda yung communication nila. Sobrang bait ng operations team, ng operations manager. Pwede kang mag-reach out sa kanila anytime. And also, walang delay din sa sahod. So, okay yun. And then third is Doc VA. Yung Doc VA naman, ito para to sa mga medical related courses. So may mga experience with regards to medical related courses like nurses, med tech, doctors even, or anything na related sa medical field. So yun yung mga hinahire nila kasi ang industry nila are more on the are talaga sa healthcare industry. So, ang maganda dito is may success coach din sila na mag-handle sa inyo. And then, meron silang specific na IT department. So, if you have any problems or concerns with regards to the VPN or anything, you can reach out to the IT department and they will be able to assist you. And lastly, the fourth agency na i-recommend ko is yung Cracker Jacks Virtual Assistant, CVA. So, eto naman, 10 years in the business na. Filipino-owned VA agency siya. And yung industry niya is halo-halo din. So, they cater to many types of industry. So, naghahanap sila iba-iba, VA, executive assistant, customer service support, a lot more. So, ang kagandahan naman dito is weekly yung sahod and being 10 years in the industry, so alam nyo na well-established sila. So that's all for today. So sana may natutunan kayo. So if you have any other questions, feel free to comment down below or if may suggestion kayo na makakatulong sa ating lahat, feel free to comment. So again, thank you so much for following and watching my video and see you on the next one. Bye!